This is me introducing you to the seller marketplace. One of the sellers, which is this one that I have a really good relationship with, was asking me to build a website for them to sell GPS because probably the seller did realize that at this age, you need to have a page to sell online. What he probably did not realize is how expensive it would be for him to pay me to be the one doing the website. One of the big addition to this is that some of his customers don't want any paid plan, they just want the GPS. So that's why it was important to introduce the free plan. And of course, after which it's just gonna charge you for the GPS. And because this specific GPS require hard wiring, you can decide to include that as the service that you want or just buy it outright, just the GPS as a free plan with no hard wiring. Free plan also means that you're going to use Traxelio for the tracking, but only for 1 year, which is something that most platforms forget to disclose, that it is free but only for 1 year. So we try at least here to make it very obvious. And you can do a lot of combination, meaning some of his customers are going to want a professional tracking platform and they're going to come to us based on the plan they selected and also the duration. They're going to have a discount. They can put some of the booking information, which is the email, the delivery address, and of course the quantity, if they want to include it or not. And then this is going to create an order for them and they can just pay. Right now it's just pay via card because it's detecting this is me and where I'm at right now. So it's going to only offer me the card payment. But if this is someone that is, for example, in Senegal, you're going to have Orange Money and Wave as options. It's pretty simple as a presentation, but I can see a scenario where this is benefiting both of us, a win-win situation. That is why I'm not charging any commission. I'm not charging to make this page at all. The way I see it, they're going to do marketing to sell very hard this product. And some of them are going to discover these two at the same time, so win-win. Of course, I'm not expecting most of them to take the free plan, but at least there would be a few of them that will decide, hey, they want a professional platform for the tracking. And they want to have some of the driving behavior and the smart tracking features. And because they want to save money, they can go for the yearly plan and so forth. So I think this was worth exploring. I just wasn't very comfortable with the free plan, as this would attract a different customer that I'm not trying to attract right now. But if I was VC funded company, I can see why this would be interesting. Because then we'll be going for having a significant market share, being the number one or at least the top 5. But it's not my case. I'm just trying to go for very few customers that really value tracking. I'm just saying this today, but I might change my mind. But so far, I think this is a good structure where I would have seller links, seller marketplace, where they can have their own catalog of product they are selling and which price. Someone on the internet cannot find this on Google because this is not indexed, but the seller can share the URL and they can then pick free plan, put their booking, their information about the delivery, and this is going to work just fine then, which is also bringing demand. And I just need to be comfortable having some of the users be on the free plan just for 1 year, after which it's going to upgrade them to the basic plan anyway. And they will have to pay if they want to keep using it or buy a new GPS. Let me know how you feel about this, but so far I'm very happy with this decision.